Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the tie row on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. The dishwasher's tine row supports and separates dishes in the lower rack, holding them in place during wash cycles. If it is damaged, broken, or starts to rust, your dishes may become misaligned and unstable. Additionally, any accumulated rust can damage or stain your dishes. If you need to purchase a new tine row for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. To begin, open the dishwasher door. Then, pull the bottom dish rack forward and lift it up and out. Next, lift the silverware basket up to remove it. In order to gain access to the tine row, we'll need to first uninstall the lower dish rack wheel assembly opposite of the tine row retainer clip. To remove, lift the dish rack up and depress one of the locking tabs while pressing down on the top of the assembly. Then, repeat the same on the other locking tab. Now, slide the tine row forward and lift it up and out to remove. If you need to purchase a new tine row, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the tine row to the retainer clip so that the rubber-headed prong seats in the slot. Align the wheel assembly to the rack, being sure that the tine row fits into the groove on the center and the retaining tabs on the top of the assembly seat on the inside of the rack. Then, press firmly on the bottom of the assembly to snap it into place. Next, set the silverware basket back into the lower dish rack. Align the wheels on the lower rack to the tracks on the door and set it in place. Then, push it back into the dishwasher and close the door. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.